All right, let's get into VSupport. It's a whole new way to think about tech support.
We've all been there, right? You have a tech problem, but getting help is just a headache. You know the drill: long waits, repeating your issue, and that nagging question about data security.
But VNet reimagines this whole process. It's AI first, built from the ground up for speed.
So let's meet Vivi. This is your personal AI assistant and your first stop for help.
Vivi is basically the front door for all VNet apps. It handles everything you throw at it.
And here's the key. Vivi aims to solve your problem on its own instantly. Humans are plan B.
But when Vivi does need help, your issue enters the VSupport system for some smart processing.
Check this out. The AI turns your simple text into a perfect structured ticket for an expert.
It even adds crucial details automatically, so the expert gets a crystal clear report from the start.
All this means no more back and forth. For you, it's just a way faster fix.
But none of this matters without security, and VSupport's foundation is built on trust. Here's how. Every single thing is recorded in a worm log. Basically, it's written in stone. It can't be changed. And this is a big deal. It's required for meeting serious compliance standards like SOC2 and GDPR. The AI has strict, hard-coded rules. For example, it can never mess with user feedback ratings. These rules aren't just for the AI. Human agents have the same strict privacy guarantees. So yeah, it's not just a ticketing tool. It really is a governed interaction layer. So let's recap the experience. It starts with AI, gets reviewed by experts, and it's all secure. It really makes you think, if the support is this well designed, what does that say about the platform?